If you have just heard about the Clubhouse application and wondering why people are talking, why the world is talking about the Clubhouse application, check out this particular video because I'm going to answer 8 questions, 8 frequently asked questions by the Clubhouse users, and I hope it would be helpful for the users. Let's get started. What's up people, welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video we're going to talk about Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a new social media app that you might have heard about from a lot of people. The worst part about Clubhouse in your scenario is basically how can you get an invitation code. It's basically an invite only social media platform and it's an audio platform. So you get to talk, you get to be a part of discussions, you get to listen a lot of things in case if you are a good listener. Trust me, this application is going to be really helpful for you in order to understand about a certain topic. There are topics or there are rooms as they call it on Clubhouse. It's regarding, the topic could be about anything. It could be right from Pinterest, Quora, Instagram to healthy living to traveling to places that you haven't visited. It could be about anything. You just need to find a particular group or a room that you are interested in or the topic that you are actually interested in, and you can go ahead and follow that room in order to go ahead and join and get notified about the conversations and the topics or discussions that are going to happen. That brings me to the first question, and the first question is how to get a Clubhouse invitation code in 2021. So for getting the code, it's pretty simple. I have 15 invitations with me. For that, you need to go ahead and like this particular video and comment either your Instagram profile or your Facebook profile. Basically, the idea over here is that we get in touch directly and you can DM me your mobile number. If you are comfortable sharing your mobile number, do go ahead and comment the same. I'll be selecting randomly the 15 people and I'll be messaging them directly from my own end and sharing the invitation code. The second way of getting an invitation is basically you go ahead and contact someone or some of your friends that are already there on Clubhouse. What they need to do is whenever a user signs up on Clubhouse, they get 5 invitations or 5 people they can go ahead and manually invite them through. So you need to basically figure out a person that has or a friend that is already on Clubhouse and talk to them in order to get or nominated on Clubhouse or invited on Clubhouse. The second question is how do you go ahead and sign up for Clubhouse? For signing up for the Clubhouse, first of all, you need the invitation code, that is A. The second thing is you're going to get registered by your mobile number, and the next question that is automatically going to pop up in a user's head is, okay, if I go ahead and sign up through a mobile number, can I go ahead and change it in future? So you cannot go ahead and change your mobile number, the one that you have registered through for the Clubhouse application. So make sure you go ahead and sign up through a mobile number that you're going to stick around for like a really long time. Because currently there is no way of changing that. The third question is how to change username in Clubhouse app in 2021. So doing this is really easy. You can go to the FAQs page and check the answer for this. For some reason this particular functionality is not working right now on my Android device. To change the username, or as we call it as handle, we got a lot of requests from people who would like to change their username, so we built the ability to do that in the app. Download the latest version of the application to do this. Just go to your profile and tap your existing username. Please note, you can only change this once. So you can only change your username once. So please make sure that you choose the username correctly. As you want to make sure that people on Clubhouse always know who they are talking with. So choose wisely. So as I said, this particular functionality is currently not working. I'm going to show this to you. So this is my profile right now, and they say that you go ahead and click on your username. So I am clicking on my username, but nothing is happening. So I think this is basically a glitch. In case you're wondering, this is not the latest application, so this is the latest update that I have. The fourth question is you might get, how do you go ahead and change your profile picture? So changing the profile picture is definitely going to be easy. Just click on the profile picture and you can click on that and just change the profile picture and click the done button over here. I'm not going to do that in this particular scenario. The fifth question is, what are rooms in Clubhouse and how do you go ahead and create rooms on Clubhouse 2021? So the moment you go ahead and land up in the Clubhouse application, this is the interface that you're going to see, and this is the option of creating a room. What are rooms? Rooms are basically the discussion groups, the way we have spaces on Twitter, which is recently introduced by Twitter after seeing the concept from Clubhouse, I'm guessing. So this is basically similar to that. You have 3 categories of spaces or rooms that you can go ahead and create on Clubhouse. The first one is the open. The open ones is basically just click on that and just click on let's go. It's basically an open group without a privacy thing. Anyone can go ahead and join this particular group, looking at that particular group itself. And as you see, the mic right now is currently on, so whatever I'm talking is getting recorded over here. If I just turn off the mic now, whatever, I mean, even if someone joins, they won't be able to go ahead and hear whatever I'm saying. Now this is a group that has been created, this is a room that has been created by me. So in order to go ahead and end this particular room, you can go, there are multiple options that you get regarding a particular room. I'm going to show you. Need to click on these 3 dots and you have the share room, search for room, report audio problem, and the end room. So currently, as we do not have any members in our room, I'm just going to end this room. Make sure you go ahead and end that particular room, otherwise that room is going to stick around over there. Just to share that again with you, I'm just going to open, let's go. For instance, if you do not end the room and if you just click a back button, it's still going to be open over here and anyone can go ahead and join that room. So make sure you go ahead and end the room. Now the next type of rooms that we have is the social rooms. How we go ahead and create social rooms in Clubhouse. It's basically click on the social icon and just click on let's go. What is different about social rooms than the public ones is social rooms are for trusted conversations with just the people the moderators follow. So basically, if I follow someone, I can go ahead and invite them. I can go ahead and those people can go ahead and join this particular group. And basically, it's gonna give me another option of letting the visitors. Let's say the people who, for instance, if I don't follow them and they still want to go ahead and join. So there is an additional feature that the social rooms is going to offer you apart from share room, search room, report audio problem, and end room, and that is let visitors in. So basically, whenever the user wants to go ahead and join this particular social room, they will have to click on the follow button and it will give you a notification. Once you go ahead and allow them, they are going to get into the particular room. That is what is basically the social room. Now, in case if you're wondering, what if like हम लोग ने join तो कर लिया room, what after joining the room? So basically, you will be joining as a listener, and in case if you want to go ahead and raise or if you want to talk in the particular room, this is the hand option over here. So this is basically raising the hand. So once you click that, you will be joining as a listener, and you need to click on the raise hand icon option in order for letting the other people to know that you want to go ahead and speak about something. The add option besides that is basically going to allow me to go ahead and add someone that I am following, or I can go ahead and share this particular group or room with the people I want to share it with. Basic. And if you want, as a listener, whenever you go ahead and join a particular room, it's gonna give you an option of leaving quietly. So this is basically without getting anyone notified or something like that. You can just leave that particular group if you're just bored with that conversation. I'm going to end this particular group room. I need to make that particular change anyway. So the next type of room that we have is the closed room. So the closed room basically is more secure, more private, as it says. Just the people that you go ahead and choose are going to be a part of this particular room. So click on the closed room icon or option or whatever, and then you can go ahead and choose the people. So now these are the people, these are my friends that I go ahead and follow. I can go ahead and select them and they will be notified about it, or I can go ahead and search for the people who are following me. So there are people who are not following, there are people who are following me and I am not following them. It gives me an option to go ahead and invite them as well. And in case if you're wondering what is this beehive kind of a thing, so basically that is the admin, the group admin is the one who invited me and who shared the invitation with me, and through that is what I have joined Clubhouse. Apart from that, it gives you an option to add a topic. So in case if you want to talk about a specific topic, let's say Pinterest, Quora, I don't know, maybe YouTube or something like that, you can go ahead and select that particular topic and set that topic, and then that particular room would be created. So this was pretty much about the rooms. moving further, I'm just gonna quickly take you through the Clubhouse application in case if you're wondering how does the Clubhouse interface look like. So basically you can go ahead and search people and find clubs over here. For instance, whatever the topic that you want to go ahead and join. So let's say I go ahead and type YouTube. So it's gonna give me a bifurcation based on the people and clubs. I can go ahead and join the clubs and so on and so forth. The next thing that we have on the screen is basically the number of invites that are pending. So when I joined Clubhouse, I was having 5 invites which were with me, and now as I see that I have invited more and more people, so the invites are basically increasing. Right now I have the number of invites that are 8 invites, but I have 2 other friends, so do not worry about the invites. I am hoping that those particular invites have also been increased. Make sure you go ahead and comment the Instagram profile link or the Facebook link. I'm again saying in order for if you want the invitation from my end. Moving further, so that's the next thing that we have is basically upcoming events for you. It's going to show you what are the events that are going to happen, and in case if you want to get notified about a certain event, you need to go ahead and click on this particular bell icon and you need to go ahead and follow. I'm not following that particular club, but these are the events that are going to happen. As soon as I go ahead and follow that particular thing, it's going to get me notified about that particular event which is going to happen at 6 p.m. So I don't know what is that event, but I'm just going to but if you want to go ahead and confirm, so you're all set, you already follow the whatever Malayali club, so you will get notified when the conversation begins. So you can just click on sounds good. The next thing that we have is basically it's going to give you the notifications about how many people have joined from your contact list on Clubhouse, and the next thing is basically your profile. Now, in case if you're wondering how do you go ahead and contact these people, because there are a lot of glitches right now currently there on the application, especially on the Android version. I can't say about the iOS because I'm using the Android. So, and if you're wondering that how to contact Clubhouse support, so you need to click on this settings icon, the gear icon over here, and you will see FAQs and contact us. So over there, you're gonna get answers for all of your questions, and plus the answers that I've shared you, it's the source of that particular whatever. The source is basically this particular FAQ section. Now moving further, if you're wondering what features are missing on Clubhouse app for Android 2021, so you will be able to see, like, the moment you go ahead and scroll down, you will be able to see a separate section for Android FAQ in which it's going to answer a lot of questions. Currently there are a lot of bugs that are there on the Android applications, and there are many features that are missing. For instance, you cannot go ahead and create a club. You go ahead and scroll on this particular page, and there is a question dedicated for that. What features are currently missing from the Android experience? So currently topic following is missing. Localization and in-app translations is missing. Basically, whenever you speak, the other person can go ahead and get, hear it in a particular way is what I am guessing, or I think the subtitles would change or something like that. Then club creation or club management is currently which is missing on the Android version. Specifically for the Android version are these particular features that are missing. Then there is Twitter account on or Instagram account linking. So you cannot go ahead and link your social media icons the way the iOS users are able to go ahead and do that. You cannot go ahead and update your username. So for Android, it is not currently possible. I missed on that particular thing. Apologies. But for Android, it is currently not possible. Then the sidebar, I don't know what is the sidebar, and the payments option. So basically, if you're a content creator and if you want to go ahead and create that own club of yours, and you want to earn some money out of it, so the payments are currently not incorporated. It's basically if you're not into the US. It's only currently in US for iOS, not only for Android. So Android, all these particular features are missing. And there is another one, you can report someone from their profile, but reporting via the recent speaker choice will be coming soon. So I'm not certainly sure what exactly this particular feature is, but this is also something that is missing from the Android version. Alright, so that was my video about the Clubhouse applications and a few FAQs that I thought it would be helpful for someone who has just started with Clubhouse, or in case if you're wondering how to get started with Clubhouse. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I keep on creating such kind of videos on a weekly basis, and whenever you hit the subscribe button, it's just a motivation factor to create more and more such kind of videos. And I'm again saying that if you need the invitation code from my end, make sure you go ahead and comment your Instagram or your Facebook profile, basically a source through which we can go ahead and communicate on one-on-one basis, and I can share the invitation code with you, or you can share the mobile number with me. Apart from that, it's all good. I hope you found these questions helpful. That's about it from my end. I'll be back with another hack for you guys in the next video. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking.